Well, here she is, what I came for. The Entegra coach Centurion on the Cascadia chassis. This is the D12 model, which means 12-speed transmission. Wow, what a gorgeous machine. What more could you want? So now I'm gonna talk about some advantages to having a Super C over, let's say, a Class A diesel. So one of the things is that this hood opens up completely, so you have full access to your motor for any sort of servicing. And because it is on something like the Cascadia chassis, parts and availability at Freightliner are almost readily available because you're gonna see this chassis out everywhere in commercial trucks. So parts, servicing, very easy and simple. All right, let's head on inside and check it out. Whew, I'm excited. Wow. This is beautiful. It's exactly what you'd expect to see from Entegra Coach. I like that skylight up top, it's beautiful. Brings in a lot of natural lighting. We've got the cab area here, which is very driver focused with all your screens, your climate controls, everything here. Very easy to access. And because it's angled, gets rid of most glare for the driver. You can get another screen up top here for your cameras. Very nice. Check out the mirror points. People always say these larger units, they gotta be harder to drive. Well, you can see more. So yes, we may have exterior cameras, but you also have a lot more mirrors. And look at the size of them. So you can see everything. So this is one of the sort of prototype ones. It's not completed yet, so you're gonna see some pieces are missing here and there. That's fine, we can all look past that. Wow. Very nice.
That's what the engine side is.
This will be 525 horsepower. Detroit motor. New touchscreen. It's for your Wi-Fi. Starlink setup. This big bed. There's the panels that still have to go on. Wow. Tons of legroom in front of the toilet. Stackable washer dryer, of course, with the nice sliding door. This is going to be your hanging closets with your nice finished drawers. This is your shower. Nice, big, spacious. Also, no step up because it's not a rear diesel. Very cool. Again, very excited. I love my Super Cs. All right, so on the exterior now, check out this. Look at the size of this cargo door. That's monstrous. Same thing with storage. Lots of storage, straight through even too if you need it. Got the electric step like the Cornerstone did, which comes straight out, and this is a flap that comes down, so your steps stay much cleaner. Very nice. Dual zoned cooler slash freezer. It's probably where you get to your pulls for your air to drain the air. Look at the exterior, it's beautiful. So I won't go through this area because that's just more bins. I assume this is where the Aqua Hot will be. 450D. Tons of stuff. Assume this is where the diesel generator is, probably 8,000, yep. 8,000 watt diesel generator. Oh yeah.